Welcome to another video presented by College of Liberal Arts and Sciences, and this video is going to be about the Thielen Student Health Center, our own mini hospital or a healthcare provider by the Iowa State. So first and foremost, it's really important to get these numbers noted down after you have accepted your admission, and once you get to Iowa State, it's very important to jot these numbers down. And they also have, right now due to a pandemic, please call prior to coming to the clinic if you have symptoms of fever, as you can see here. Now, to get the most benefits from Student Health Center, it is really recommended, if you're a US citizen, to enroll in the Student and Scholar Health Insurance Program through Iowa State. And I made a separate video about it, which you can see in our channel, about how to get enrolled if you're a US citizen. If you're an international student, you'll be automatically enrolled, and the enrollment fee, like the premium for the fall semester, will be already added to your U-bill on the start, and the same for spring semester as well. And if you choose to work or stay here over the summer, or work or choose to be enrolled in the school, you'll still be added for that amount of time as well. So if you're new students, I recommend you go click on there, and then you can see the immunization requirements, and it diversifies into US students, international students. And if you're US student health insurance, you can go from there. Translation records, and I think you can do it from any other health provider from your hometown or any other state, and just submit them on Access Plus and continue to this button, and then you should be good to go. Measles requirement, tuberculosis testing, and all those good stuff. Every other hospital has it. They know what the university requires, and once you could just go and tell them that you're about to go to Iowa State, and then they require immunization requirements, they should be able to get the tests done and get you on the way. So if you're international students, you'd have to get your immunization records. It is really recommended to get it done from back home and scan it and upload it, but if you're not able to do it, you can also come in and then do the measles requirement at Iowa State at least 28 days after the first vaccination. You may schedule an appointment in student health as soon as the beginning of the time for starting, and the state of Iowa for tuberculosis and meningitis as well. So you can also see the checklist for incoming student right here, and prior to your arrival, you should have all this done, and make copy. It's required from a minor consent form, 2 measles and blood test on measles. So all is required before you choose to come to Iowa State. So yes, so those are all about the new students. Now this is about the services, as you can see, and a lot of the services, if you're enrolled with the Student Health Insurance Program by Iowa State, would be 100% free. Even like expensive tests such as x-rays and lab reports and stuff like that, it's all free if you choose to go with the Students Insurance Program. So it's a really good way to know about the wellness aspect of it. You can see the video about the student wellness and what you can do to help yourself, some self-care practices, party smart, how to party smart in COVID-19 especially, green dot, and keep community to stay informed and be well. So you can all see these programs and services, especially what you can do in crisis, and I have had a whole video about the student counseling services, which I really recommend you going through our channel and looking at it. And donating, how you can donate to Student Wellness Fund, Foods Insecurity, and Recovery Community. So it's a good one, the foundation website, and programs and services. Now going to the wellness, as we discussed, this is a really good in terms of assessment and employee evaluation, and you can also choose for them to come out to your community and explain all these resources in person. At the moment, due to coronavirus, they might not be doing in person, they might be doing virtually, but you can always ask them to come and showcase this video and even more resources to you. So that's good to know. Now providers and staff, you can see, and one thing to note is once you accept your admission to Iowa State, and then you get your requirements done through immunization and everything, you will be assigned a healthcare provider and like a doctor who pertains to you. Like every time you go in and report something, it's the initial doctor, one of these, who will come and see you, and then they can guide you as to what your problem is and which department they should specialize in. So it's a really good thing to know about physical therapists, pharmacists, who are available, specialists, and then the providers. So now we know the aspects of the services and how we can get enrolled, but how about like billing and how much it's going to cost you? So I have made another video about the insurance information which is provided through Iowa State and how much it's going to cost you every semester, fall and spring, even summer if you choose to go to Iowa State, and the premiums and who are the providers and what benefits are covered in that video. So I really recommend you checking our channel and going to that video as well. Or you can also click here, health insurance program, and then go right here, and then you can see the website. So these are good things to know. Student health fees, you can see for credit hours 120, and then they increase for every credit hour. And to know if you're under the network, pay for services, and other healthcare provider in Ames, you can go and check the plan number and group number. This is really good thing in terms of knowing which of the hospitals actually accept your insurance and consider you in network, so you have to pay less, or they consider you out network, so you don't have to pay more. So that's a good thing to know. Another thing is the forms and policies. As you can see, COVID-19 forms. We also have consent for services, Iowa University Note of Privacy for patients, and all the other international travel questionnaire as well. So I really hope that this video helped you. Now at the end we go how to schedule appointments. As you can see, you can just call this number, best option for you under the circumstances, and they will see you in person or telehealth from Monday through Friday 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. depending on your situation. So checking if the student ID card is required, canceling appointments, arriving late, and class excuses in terms of if you get sick and you can't attend the class, and they can give you a note, so they can give it to a professor and can be marked as absent but with a really good cause. So that's one thing to know. So I really hope this helps you a lot, and please stay safe, and let me know if you like this video and what other topics you'd want us to make videos. Thank you.